Introduction, intention, and spiritual preparation, approximately equals 7,000 characters. Astral projection, out-of-body experience, conscious separation from the physical body. These terms may sound mystical or intimidating, but the truth is simple. Astral projection is a natural state of consciousness available to anyone. You don't need special powers, psychic abilities, or a lifetime of meditation. What you need is focus, intention, relaxation, and the right method, combined with a calm and grounded approach. Welcome to this guide. If you're here, you're probably curious, or maybe you've already felt something unusual while falling asleep. Vibrations, buzzing sounds, floating sensations, or the feeling that your awareness is expanding beyond your body. These are not hallucinations. These are early signs of the astral state. In this video, you will learn the simplest and safest method to attempt your first conscious astral projection. No fear-based myths, no unrealistic promises. Just a clear, grounded, spiritual step-by-step guide created for beginners. Before we begin, I want you to repeat the main idea of this entire journey. Astral projection is not an escape. It is an exploration. It's an exploration of your consciousness, of your inner world, and of the energetic dimension that exists around you. Now let's start with the foundation, intention. 1. Setting your intention. Intention is the fuel of any spiritual process. When your intention is clear and calm, your energy aligns with your purpose. Sit comfortably and breathe gently. Ask yourself, why do I want to experience astral projection? What do I hope to learn or understand? Am I approaching this with curiosity or with fear? Your intention must always be grounded in curiosity, peace, and self-exploration. Never fear, never ego, never obsession. Here is a simple intention you can use tonight. I am safe. I am calm. I am ready to explore my consciousness. Repeat it mentally 3 times. Feel the truth of these words. Let them anchor you. Now that your intention and space are aligned, it's time to enter the most important stage of astral projection. The transition from the waking mind to the expanded mind. Astral projection does not happen when you are fully asleep. It also does not happen when you are fully awake. It happens in the middle state, the hypnagogic state, where your body is deeply relaxed while your consciousness remains clear, silent, and present. Let's begin with the breathing technique that will guide you into this threshold. 1. The 4-4-8 breathing method. This is one of the most effective breathing patterns for projection beginners. It slows your heart rate, calms the nervous system, and quiets mental noise. Follow this rhythm. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold gently for 4 seconds. Exhale for 8 seconds. Long exhalations signal your body to release tension, essential for deep relaxation. Do this for at least 10 cycles. As you breathe, imagine your body becoming heavier, sinking into the bed, but your mind becoming lighter, expanding above your body. Let thoughts come and go. Don't chase them. Let them dissolve naturally. Your goal is not to empty the mind. Your goal is to become an observer, quiet, detached, aware. 2. Progressive muscle relaxation. Astral projection requires your body to reach a deep, almost sleep-like state. Start at your feet. Squeeze the muscles of your feet gently for 2 seconds and release. Then move to your legs, hips, stomach, chest, arms, hands, neck, and face. Contract gently and release completely. Every time you release a muscle, imagine it melting, dissolving, becoming soft and light. After you scan the entire body, you should feel your arms heavy, your legs heavy, your breathing slow, your heart. Calm your body almost asleep. You're approaching the vibrational threshold. 3. Entering the hypnagogic state. This is where the magic begins. As your body relaxes more, you may start to experience flashes of colors behind your closed eyes, floating sensations, slight spinning, drifting thoughts. buzzing in the ears, images forming like half-dreams. These are all normal. Do not react to them. Do not analyze. Do not move your physical body. Just observe. You're entering the subtle space where the astral body begins to loosen from the physical body. A good mental affirmation here is, I remain aware as my body falls asleep. Say it silently every few minutes. You want the body to sleep, not the mind. Stay calm, stay patient. Soon, your body will shift into sleep paralysis, the gateway to the vibrational state. This is not dangerous. It is a natural biological mechanism, and it makes astral projection possible. In the next block, you will learn exactly how to recognize the vibrational state and how to use it to separate from the physical body safely and consciously. The vibrational stage is the moment of transition. This is where most beginners get scared, excited, or overwhelmed and lose the projection. But you won't, because now you understand what's happening. Let's break this stage down, step by step, with clarity and calmness. 1. Recognizing the vibrational state. As your body falls asleep and your awareness stays awake, you may feel intense vibrations spreading through your body, a humming or buzzing sound, pressure on your chest, tingling in your hands or feet, the sensation of floating, a wave of energy rising from your spine. These sensations might feel strong, but they are completely normal. They are not physical. They are the frequency shift of the astral body preparing to lift. The key rule here: do not move your physical body. Do not open your eyes. Do not panic. Instead, surrender. Let the energy move. Let the vibrations flow. They are the bridge between realms. 2. Maintaining mental stability. The biggest obstacle is emotional reaction, fear or excitement. Fear pulls you back into the body. Excitement wakes you completely. Repeat silently, I am safe. I allow the separation to happen naturally. Your breathing should remain slow and steady. Your mind should stay clear, calm, observant. Let the vibrations stabilize. They usually peak for 10 to 20 seconds, then become smoother. When you feel like you're gently floating or expanding, you are ready for separation. 3. The rope technique, separation method. This is the simplest and safest exit technique for beginners. Imagine an invisible rope hanging above your chest. Do not move your physical arms. Use only your astral intention. Visualize your non-physical hands reaching up and pulling the rope. Pull yourself upward, hand over hand, slowly, gently, without force. Imagine your consciousness rising inch by inch. As you do this, you may feel sudden lightness, a snap, or pop, a shift in perspective, drifting upwards, rising out of your own body. If you feel yourself lifting, even slightly, continue pulling. You are separating. 4. The rollout method, alternative exit. If the rope method doesn't work, try this. Imagine your body is on a gentle rotating platform. Now mentally, roll your awareness to the side like you are rolling out of bed. Don't physically move. Just imagine the motion. This method often works when vibrations are strong on one side of the body. If done correctly, you will feel yourself slide out, soft, weightless, free. 5. The moment of full separation. Suddenly, the sensations stop. You feel lighter. You might be floating above the bed. You might be standing in your room. You might even see your physical body resting below you. This is the astral body, your consciousness free from the physical shell. Do not panic. Do not rush. Simply observe. Breathe, even though the astral body doesn't need air. Feel your freedom. Feel your expanded awareness. In the next block, you will learn how to move, explore safely, stay grounded, and return to your body whenever you choose. Welcome to the astral state. Now your goal is simple. Stay calm, explore consciously, and return safely. Let's break it down with clarity. 1. Stabilizing your astral body. In the first moments, your vision may be blurry or distorted. This is normal. To stabilize your awareness, rub your astral hands together, spin slowly in place, touch nearby objects, walls, furniture. Command clarity. Clarity now. These actions strengthen your presence and reduce dreamlike distortion. 2. Moving in the astral plane. Movement in the astral plane does not depend on muscles. It depends on intention. To move, look at a direction. Imagine yourself drifting there. Allow your energy to follow. You may float, glide, or instantly shift locations. Do not force movement. Let it be natural, fluid, gentle. 3. Exploring safely. As a beginner, it's best to stay close to familiar environments. Your bedroom, your home, nearby locations you know well. This keeps your mind stable and reduces confusion. If you meet anyone, guides, figures, energies, stay calm and centered. To verify if an encounter is safe, feel the energy. If it feels peaceful, warm, or neutral, you are fine. If it feels uncomfortable, command. Only energies of light and peace may stay. Anything lower will fade instantly. You always have control. 4. When and how to return to your body. Returning is easy. You cannot get stuck. The body has a natural magnetic pull that keeps you safe. When you want to return, think of your physical body. Imagine the weight of your limbs. Focus on your breathing. Visualize lying on your bed. In a few seconds, you will feel a pulling sensation, a soft snap, your awareness sinking back into the physical body. You may experience vibrations again during re-entry. This is normal. Move your fingers slowly. Take a soft breath. Open your eyes when ready. You are back. 5. Recording your experience. As soon as you wake, write everything down. Sensations, movements, emotions, visuals, clarity level. This trains your mind to remember astral experiences and strengthens your next projection attempts. Keep a journal dedicated to this. 6. Final words. Astral projection is a journey of inner exploration, expanded consciousness, emotional healing, spiritual awareness. You now have the simplest, safest method to attempt your first out-of-body experience. Practice with calmness. Approach with curiosity. Respect your limits. And celebrate every small progress. Even partial vibrations or brief separations are victories. Your consciousness is limitless. Tonight, you may discover that for yourself.